Namaskar. Before we take our meals, we should be ensured that our digestive system is ready for the meal. Digestion would be effective only if the digestive juices are released easily, bowel movements are smooth, and the system is ready to absorb new nutrients. If any of these processes is disturbed, it can lead to acidity and indigestion. So today I am going to give you 2 asanas which if you could do before meal, then it would activate your digestive system and ensure proper digestion. The first asana is Yogendra Hastapadasana or hand toe pose. This is a very simple forward bending pose that can easily be done by even beginners. Let's understand how to do. Stand straight, both hands on the side. Distance between both the feet is around 1 foot parallel to each other. Raise your both hands from front up by inhaling, and now start exhaling. Slowly bend forward, your body and the arms going along with your head down as if to touch the ground. Stay in this position for 6 seconds and then while inhaling, come back to the normal position. You can do twice or thrice. This asana gives good massage to your abdomen region and pelvic region. It stimulates your digestive organ and ensure that your digestive juices are released easily. It also prevents gas, constipation and indigestion, and it would help removing toxins from your body too. Second asana is Yogendra Utkatasana, that is standing chair pose, which is a semi-standing pose. This pose is done on tiptoes and also commonly called as chair pose. Utkatasana was devised by our founder Sri Yogendra ji from the traditional exercise Danda Baitak, which is usually practiced by wrestlers to strengthen their muscles. So as an instruction, stand straight. Distance between both the legs could be just 1 foot. Both the legs parallel, hands by the side. Now while inhaling, raise your both hands, come up to shoulder level, straight. And along with it, raise slowly on your toe. The heel will be raised up. Now exhaling slowly, squat down. Hold this squatting position for 6 seconds. Now again inhaling, come up again over to your toes. Hold for 3 seconds there and slowly exhaling, come back to the starting position. Make sure that your hands and your heel, they are coming down together. Do this twice or thrice. This Utkatasana activates your core muscles and ignites your digestive fire. Practicing asanas before meal can give you several benefits. You will find that your digestion is better because of the improved blood circulation. Doing yoga before meal can also increase your appetite, make you to more likely to enjoy the meal and fully absorb the nutrients from the meal. Yoga before food can cultivate you to develop mindfulness, awareness about your body's needs. Besides these 2 asanas, you can even consider some other activities for better health. Practice deep breathing while walking few steps to clear your mind. Say a short prayer to express gratefulness for the blessings of food. And when you sit down to eat, smell and taste each morsel with full awareness. By starting your meal with a calm and relaxed mind, you are more likely to eat mindfully and digest your food efficiently. So start today. Make these little changes before your meals and observe the benefits. Namaskar.